A used glass bottle like this turns out to be incredibly valuable. Let me show you how. A lot of people throw these bottles away without thinking. But once you know what they can become, you'll never look at them the same again. With just a few simple steps, this forgotten glass can turn into something surprisingly useful and even money-making. Let's break it down step by step. First, make sure the bottle is completely clean. Rinse it with water, remove any labels, and scrub off the leftover glue. A clean surface will make the next steps work perfectly. Use a handful of sand to clean the inside of the bottle. Pour it in, add a little water, then shake it well. The sand will scrub away dirt and residue that are hard to reach. Next, we need to prepare a wooden mold measuring 50 by 30 centimeters. Start by marking the wood carefully to ensure the dimensions are accurate. Cut each piece with clean, straight edges, then assemble them into a sturdy rectangular frame using nails or screws. Make sure the mold is firm and doesn't wobble, because this frame will guide the shape of our project and keep every part perfectly aligned during the process. Now it's time to break the glass bottle into smaller pieces. Place the bottle inside a thick cloth or a sturdy bag to keep the shards from flying. Tap it gently with a hammer until it cracks into manageable pieces. The goal is to get clean, even fragments that will be easier to process later. Arrange the glass pieces inside the wooden mold. Spread them evenly, starting from the corners and working your way to the center. Make sure the surfaces overlap slightly so there are no empty gaps. A neat layout will make the final result stronger and much more stable. Pour the cement mixture slowly, little by little, over the arranged glass pieces. Allow it to seep naturally into every gap so the glass is fully bonded. Don't rush, letting it settle ensures a stronger hold. Once the mold is filled, gently smooth the surface using a flat tool, leveling out any uneven spots. The more even the surface is now, the cleaner and more solid the final result will be. After letting it sit and fully set, the mold can now be removed. Carefully loosen each side of the wooden frame and lift it slowly to avoid cracking the surface. Once the mold comes off, you'll see the shape already formed and firmly bonded. And here it is, the beautiful glass tile is finally complete. All those scattered pieces of broken bottle have transformed into a solid, elegant surface with a natural shine. Every fragment creates its own pattern, making this tile one of a kind and impossible to duplicate. It's durable, eye-catching, and looks nothing like something that once came from discarded glass. A truly stunning result from materials most people throw away. To enhance the shiny texture, the surface needs to be sanded first. Start with a fine grit sandpaper and gently work your way across the entire tile. This process smooths out any small bumps and brings out the natural gloss of the glass. Take your time. The more even the sanding, the clearer and more reflective the finish will look.